Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to translate websites instantly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. Now if you want to translate your websites instantly, then you can use like built-in browsers like Chrome's translate feature in the address bar, or by right clicking and selecting translate to this language. Alternatively, you can paste URLs in Google Translate or use browser extensions like Quiltbot for 50 plus languages, enabling quick automatic translation of entire page. So here, if you are in your Google Translate, you can simply tap on this website section. Now, once you type in and paste the URL of the current website you want to translate, you can simply paste the URL and hit the send button. And once you're done, that page will now be translated. So if you're using some different website from different countries, here I'm using Boots Thailand. So once you simply tap on it, this page is like in the Thai language. So if you want to change it, then you can simply tap on these three dots, and there you can find this translate option, and this language will be translated to English automatically. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.